Hi friends, good evening. I'm really overwhelmed talking right now. It's been incredible with the amount of response I got from everyone, personal messages and a lot of things happening around. Honestly, me and Rinku weren't expecting that at all. I really have no words to express what I've been feeling with the love and the aspiring affection that I got from all of you. It really means a lot to us. It gives us the boost to get even more higher with it. So today's topic that I'm going to talk is very close to my heart. It's honestly changed me a lot as a person when I started believing in what I'm going to talk right now. So this one is really going to be a little longer, like some of the people even had messaged that just try and make it a little longer than it was, which I really didn't want to honestly. But yes guys, maybe this one may go a little longer, but it's right from the heart, right for you. If you could understand what I'm talking, it's really going to make a big difference in your life like it's made into mine. So to the point, I don't have a point on what I'm going to talk right now. It's about an experience that I'm talking. So we all are good at something in life. So like if you're guys, you're playing very good cricket or volleyball or basketball or something. If you're girls, you're good at swimming or aerobics, cooking, drawing, painting, a lot of things happening around. You understand it takes us a while to be a champion into it. So if you've been playing cricket for say like 5 years or 6 years, you're really very good with your strokes or your bowling or your spin or your pace. If you're a painter, you're an artist, any kind of an aerobic person or anything, it's not happening overnight. It takes a long time, a lot of dedication that you put into. The same way in our life, when we're getting into any kind of an emotional feeling which we don't understand but practice. Like for example, I have a feeling of bitching around about someone all the times. I don't realize it takes me and makes me a champion over a period of 5 years. Then I would find something bitchy into the best of the things I look around just because I've been practicing bitching a lot. You feel jealous about something, you feel angry towards everything in life, you keep complaining, which is a major thing which all of us have become champions into, complaining. Because we have not realized that all our lives we've not considered everything that we have but complained about the very little that we have never got in our lives. I'm sure it's quite deep, but it's quite simple. You just need to understand if you start practicing happiness, you're going to be very happy. It will become a practice. You'll become a champion at being happy. You practice joy, you practice life, you practice peace, you practice harmony. It's amazing. We've all been practicing. It's been a normal factor if I'm socializing somewhere or if you guys have been doing that, you know it for a fact that the first thing is that the person who's not around and you're talking about that person. We've not realized, but now we are into that kind of a habit that every time we are out, we are looking at a gossip. Why do we want to that? Why can't we talk something positive? Why can't we talk about somebody who's been an inspiration to the society? Somebody who's really done good? Guys, if you are not changing yourself, no one can, no words can, not can I, not can anyone. You just need to realize, understand what we talk and believe in yourself. And guys, now start practicing. Practice joy, practice love, practice happiness. Trust me, you're going to have a wonderful life. Signing off. Bye.
Hi.